United in thought, the power of collective thinking. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on English language learning. In this episode, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, united in thought. This is a powerful expression that can really help you understand the essence of collective thinking and how it's expressed in English. So, let's dive in and learn more about this fascinating phrase. The phrase, united in thought, refers to a situation where individuals or a group share the same ideas, beliefs, or opinions. It's when people are so closely aligned in their thinking that they can be considered as one in their mindset. This doesn't necessarily mean they agree on every single detail, but rather that they have a common goal or belief that binds them together. Being united in thought is crucial in many aspects of life. It's essential for teamwork, where achieving a common goal is the priority. In social movements, this unity can lead to significant changes as it shows a strong, collective stance on an issue. Moreover, in personal relationships, sharing similar thoughts and values can strengthen bonds between individuals. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal speeches. For example, you might say, "The team was united in thought about the new project direction," indicating a shared consensus. Or, "The community was united in thought in its stand against the new policy," showing collective agreement and action. United in thought is a phrase that you might encounter in books, articles, or speeches. It's often used to describe historical moments, movements, or any group effort where a shared mindset was key to achieving a goal. Recognizing this phrase in different contexts can help you better understand its implications and the power of unity in thought. Understanding and using the phrase, united in thought, can add depth to your English communication, especially when discussing teamwork, agreement, or collective action. We hope this video helps you grasp the concept and encourages you to think about the times you've been part of a group that was united in thought. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.